I study a lot of big animals, turtles, seabirds, whales, that kind of thing. And the goal of my research is to see where they go. So to use satellite tracking to understand the way that they're using space and how they're interacting with humans, so that we can not only understand where animals are and where we want to protect animals, but also where humans are and where animals aren't. Because there are lots of things in the ocean that we as people rely on, things like fishing and shipping and those kind of things that we need as a society. So trying to figure out where in space and time those things are separated so that we can use the oceans more sustainably, including around marine predators. So predators are really important. They're really interesting, they're really fascinating, and they're really important. So they actually there's been a lot of studies that show how predators actually keep ecosystems stable. So they eat a lot of things, they keep a lot of other populations in check, and those things that they eat are keeping other things in check. So they're at the top of that chain that's really keeping our ecosystems stable and important. And particularly for conservation, predators are really important. They're really interesting and fascinating, and so we as people tend to gravitate towards them. And then because they're so big and a lot of them are so mobile, when we focus conservation efforts around protecting predators and around protecting their habitats, we end up really being able to protect a lot of things under that umbrella of their habitat. So they're really important from an ecosystem perspective, but then their ecosystem perspective also really carries back into why we want to understand and protect them.